family, this is Darlene. I got a question sent to my jewelrybybdk@gmail.com email address, and the young lady was asking me how I package up my earrings and bracelets, and I'm going to show you in this video how I do that. It's very simple. Small bag, and how about we bag up one of the men's bracelets. We'll let's say we're going to ship this bracelet out. Isn't that nice? This is available on the jewelrybydk.com website as well. So I generally will drop it in the bag. I'll put one of my business cards on the back side, pull off the little piece, and I seal it. And this is how I generally package bracelets and earrings, especially when I'm at events. I can't have a lot of, well, I don't like to have a lot of jewelry just kind of around. So there are times when I'll have a lot of the jewelry packaged up, and let's say if there is a pair of earrings, let's say if there was a pair of earrings that I'm shipping out, I would normally put them on the little black card. I put them in a small bag. I include one of my business cards, and I seal it. And then that's how I generally ship out my items. Or again, when I'm at events, I will have product packaged up. So if it's sitting in the container or just kind of displayed nicely, you can see it. And you know, you don't really need to try on a bracelet, or you know, like the earrings, you just kind of know that they're 3.5 inches long and what they pretty much will look like. And then there are times when I do have a display where the earrings are hanging, and I make habit to wear my jewelry all the time. When I'm going to events, when I'm selling at events, just all the time I wear my own jewelry. So this is how I package up my jewelry. jewelrybydk.com. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, if there's anything that you'd like to know about what it is that I do as far as making the jewelry, how I package up my jewelry, how I ship the jewelry out, supplies, anything like such, you're welcome to email me at jewelrybydk.com, or you can comment below the videos, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Be sure to subscribe, to like, even share the videos if you like the videos well enough to be able to share them with someone else. That would be great too. And be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks for stopping by. Darlene Knight, jewelrybydk.com.